we're gonna read a book and play a game. You're right again! Hi everyone, it's me, Jasmine, and I'm Yaya. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are the JYBros. Today we're gonna read a book and play a game. Would you want to join us? Great! It's called Big Bird's Animal Game. Big Bird's Animal Game. It's a guessing game. So, Big Bird will tell us about an animal and we'll have to guess what animal he's talking about. You ready, Big Bird? Yes, I am ready. Good. Now let's start reading. Come on, let's go. I am thinking of an animal that says, oink, oink. Can you guess what animal I'm thinking of? I think it's a pig. Did you guess a pig? That's right! Okay, now I am thinking of another animal. The sound it makes is ribbit, ribbit. What animal am I thinking of? It's a frog. Did you guess a frog? Gee, you're good. Now I'm thinking of another animal. It goes neigh, neigh. What animal am I thinking of now? It's a horse. Neigh, neigh. Did you guess a horse? Of course, that rhymes. Now I am thinking of an animal that says tweet, tweet. Can you guess what I'm thinking of? It's a bird. Did you say a bird? You are right. The last animal I am thinking of barks. The sound it makes is bow wow. Can you guess what animal I am thinking of? Bow wow, bow wow. It's a dog. Did you say a dog? You're right again. But next time, let's play hide and seek instead. Wow, this was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this game too. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to Jasmine and Yahia's YouTube channel, JYBros. You can also share it with your friends. Bye! Bye!